Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Bitcoin update video. We do this Bitcoin update video every single day because it's very important. Your alts are very dependent on what Bitcoin is gonna do. Now, this isn't as early as it should be. It should actually be at 3 a.m. in the evening, at night, when everybody is asleep. Now, unfortunately, I need some sleep as well, so I cannot do that. But right now it's okay time. I mean, it's already done. Usually these things moves happen right after the candle close on the daily chart. That said, we can still see what if this is gonna continue, if this is bad or not, and stuff like that. So let's get in the chart and see what's actually happening with Bitcoin. And I'm gonna tell you that everything is playing as expected. We have been expecting this move, and it is coming, and there is nothing to be fearful about. I know everything, a lot of things are like minus 4 or 5% down in red right now, but it's not a problem. It's not a problem. I'm gonna explain to you why. Number first, when we pumped over here on this green candle over here, we said we are way extending from this white line over here. The white line, that's the 10 moving average. You got a red one, that's the 20 moving average, and this is the 50 moving average, and this one is 100 moving average. But the fast moving average, the 10 moving average, is very important because price pumps on the 10 moving average. You can see over here, when we got extended, we went down, and then we pumped off of the 10 moving average. And the same thing has to happen now. We have to go kind of sideways to hit this 10 moving average one way or the other. And this hit over here is actually nice because tomorrow is actually can be a very nice green day. So we have been expecting the hit on the 10 moving average. We have been we hoped it can just go sideways and then wait for the moving average to come, and then we can go up. Unfortunately, we went a little bit, but we are hitting it now. So now we can actually continue going up. So this candle over here was very important, I think, because a lot of people got kind of scared. They are looking at some kind of small time frames and thinking like, oh, it's going down forever, you know, the bull run is over. No. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing, and that's hitting this 10 moving average. 10 moving average being very nice. Not only that, we are still holding the 20 moving average on the daily. So 20 moving average, 10 moving average sitting right over here gives us very good support. So I don't see any reason to panic until this candle closes below these moving averages. If it closes somewhere here, then the next day is going to be very important, this day over here. Because if we close below the 10 and 20 moving average, we have to get next day right back up again. That means that we invalidated the previous line. That means like we never were down there as well. Now on the other hand, if we close down here, and the next candle continues being red and continues going down, that's very, very bad. Then we can talk some very bearishness in the market and stuff like that. But right now there is no bearishness. This is playing as it should be play out. We want to see if it's gonna close above these levels or not. But right now it looks exactly as it should be looking at. We can go to the weekly time frame. You can see here that the price is actually hugging the 10 moving average, which is fine because we still got, what's that, Tuesday today, so we still got like 5 days left of the market movement. So I don't think it's gonna stand there forever. Something's gonna happen. I think it's gonna be up. This candle is gonna end in green at the end of the week. Now that's assumption, but assumptions are bad for technical analysis, but you know, you take what you get. So let's see what's actually happening with some of the technical indicators. This is the RSI indicator down here, RSI. This is our rubber band indicator, and this is on the daily chart. And you can see on the daily chart that we hit some kind of 30 levels that we have been talking about a lot on this channel, and how important this 30 level is. Now usually when stuff is in an uptrend, they go down to some kind of 50 levels. We can expand a little bit more so you can see this. So you can see here when price goes up, it goes down, it hits, when it hits some kind of bottom, it hits it around 50 levels here. You can see this is 50 over here, this is the 50 line over here. It hits some kind of 50 levels, again it goes up, goes down to hit these 50 levels, goes up, and then it goes down, but it did not stop here at 50 levels. It continued going down, and we hit these 30 levels, and these 30 levels are very, very rare. That's why we called bottom down here and said this is the bottom. And now it's climbing up, and where is it climbing up to now? 50 levels. So we are exactly where we should have been on the pullback So this is just an intermediate pit stop before we actually continue higher, because these 50 levels on the upside are indicating some kind of bottoms on the retracement, because you go up, you retrace, you go up, you retrace, you go up, you retrace. Now unfortunately this retracement went all the way down to the 30 levels, but that gives us that little spring to bounce, to go further up and go further up and go further up. So there's nothing to be fearful here. These are perfect levels. We are sitting at 50 on RSI. We are sitting exactly on the 10 and 20 moving average, like perfect levels to pump more. So this is like very nice. I don't know how to explain. Okay, went back. This MACD index, this on the daily time frames, we got the bullish cross. Bullish cross is not yet finished, but you can see on the sideways movement it just gives you too many indicators. This is one bullish cross. This is second bullish cross. There are a lot of bullish cross here. There's third bullish cross over here. This is bullish cross as well over here. And then you got bearish cross. That means going down, right? Bearish cross, also down. Up here is also bearish cross. Bearish cross down. So you can see up here, but it's already halfway through when this happens. Halfway through, and this bullish cross happen halfway through, and this bearish cross happen halfway through. And you can see halfway through and stuff like that. So how to use MACD efficiently, what it can tell us and stuff like that. The most important thing is the change between going up and going down, because that's where the real bottoms are. Real bottoms, right? And of course the real tops. Up here is the real top. The crosses only confirm the top that it was being hit and stuff like that. So how you gonna use it? It's not actually anything bearish about the cross or anything that right now is going downwards, that is some kind of top or something like that, because you have to look at other indicators, and we are looking at other indicators. We are looking at the moving averages, and everything is saying that we should be continuing going up. Let's go one time frame below and see what's actually happening on the 4-hour time frame, and you're gonna see here as well that this 50 moving average up here gave us support here. Also, when we bounced up, the first place we bounced was on the 50 moving average. Then we got support on the 50 moving, and this is the third support on the 50 moving average. Even though we hit with the wick on the 100 moving average, we got support on the 50 moving average for the third time. So even the 4-hour is saying that we have some kind of support wherever we are right now, and I don't see anything bearish, anything bad about this. It looks good, it looks nice. Everything is going as planned. We were expecting the move down to the moving averages. I've been saying for a couple of days now, after this move up, that we can stand. We can continue straight up, but the likelihood for that is less than going sideways and then hitting this 10 moving average. That said, subscribe to the channel, like the video, join the Telegram group, the community and stuff like that if that's something for you. Also check out the Patreon, and we got something called daily altcoins video if you have trouble picking coins. We do like 30 coins plus every single day. Right now after this video, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a daily altcoins video for the guys on the Telegram, and if that's your thing, you know, join. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, see you around, bye bye.